Now, hours after Rahul Raj Singh was booked for abetting actor Pratyusha Banerjee's suicide, the lawyer who was fighting his case till yesterday chose to back out. In fact, we've got Neeraj Gupta joining us live on the story right now. Neeraj Gupta, before I come to what happened and why did you end your services for Rahul Raj Singh, for how long was he your client? Was this the first time you were handling his case?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
For how long was Rahul Raj your client? Was this the first case you were handling for him, or had he employed your services earlier as well?
Sorry, I could not follow you. Please repeat. I'm sorry.
Can you hear me clear?
Yeah, I can hear you.
जी, फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग, कितने सालों से और क्या कब से वो आपके क्लाइंट थे राहुल राज? ये क्या पहला केस है जो आप उनका हैंडल कर रहे थे, या हैव यू वर्कड विद हिम अर्लियर एज वेल?
No, he was not my client. In fact, he was knowing me since last 4 to 5 years when he had produced a small budget Bhojpuri film. He is knowing me from that period. And it is the first case of Rahul which I had taken. So the day after the day after the incidents, he had approached me and had intimated me about the case. And since then, I was handling the case of Rahul Raj Singh.
But you were saying you knew him from earlier.
Sorry?
But you are saying that you knew him from earlier, even if this was the first case you handled. You knew Rahul Raj from 4-5 years now?
Yes, I was knowing him, but not that much I was knowing him.
Okay.
From this case only, he had, yeah.
Okay, so why did you decide to then end the association? Why did you decide to back out from this case?
There were so many reasons, and the main reason was that the entire information which it was the duty of Rahul Raj Singh and his family to communicate me as a lawyer. Obviously, unless and until we come to know about each and every facts of the case, what had happened in the matter, and from her side what he did, how were their relationship, how the things gone through. But Rahul and his family never communicated me regarding any facts of the case, and in fact whatever I was hearing, any information or whatever the information I was getting either from the media or from the person who are connected with film fraternity, and as soon as I used to get the information, I used to ask him, and I used to seek explanation of them ki yes, I have got this information, what you have to say. And even thereafter, they chooses to not to communicate me the true facts of the case.
Why is that? Why do you think they were not? Why do you think they were not sharing enough information?
Because what the information I was receiving from the other sources, that was quietly different from the information which was given by them.
Can you give us one example? Since everything is can you give us one example? Since everything, a lot of these informations are already out there in the media. Can you give us one example of what you didn't know and found out from other sources?
I can give you 2 examples. One example, number 1 is that I had asked him whether Saloni Sharma is still in contact with you, or after the breakup, whether do you have any conversation or are you in contact since that day. He had replied me that no sir, since the day of my breakup, I never spoke to that girl. I am no connection. I am not in communication with her. I am not talking to her. I had also asked him whether there was any altercation or any fight with Pratyusha Banerjee and between this girl Saloni Sharma. He had straightway refused that no sir, nothing was done like this, and whatever they are saying, that is false. But later on it came to my knowledge, and even I had seen that particular girl was continuously calling the father and the aunt of that Rahul Singh, and they were very nicely speaking to her. And I had also came to know that when the date of this unfortunate incidents, that particular girl had also visited Ambani hospital, and they had some words with each other, and then she came back from hospital. So this it's an one example. Another one is कि I had heard that previously he had married to a girl who was an air hostess, and there was a baby. I don't know whether the boy or a girl. There was a baby out of that said wedlock. So when I asked them कि whether he was married with that girl, why didn't you communicate this fact to me? They said, sir, this is not an important fact. I told them, can you decide what is important and vital for this case, or I have to decide? At least you should have communicated this fact to me. Okay, fine. When Pratyusha had visited your native place and you were preparing to get married with him, and you had done so many things for the marriage and all that. So whether, unless and until he is still the husband of that particular girl, he cannot marry again. So have you got any decree of divorce from competent court of law? Have you got any evidence that that particular wife of Rahul has been divorced by him? They don't have any answer. They don't have any document. So there are series of facts and